Hi, I'm Clem and I show you travel destinations in a way you've never seen before. Beyond the beautiful views, I dive deeper into the culture, history, food, and the people who make each place unique, because where you stay is part of the destination too. Today we are in Jacksonville, Florida, and I'm taking you inside the Margaritaville Beach Hotel, Jacksonville Beach. This isn't just a room tour. I want to show you what it's like to actually stay there, who this hotel is for, whether it's worth your money, and how it connects you to the destination beyond its front doors. One thing that immediately stood out to me was how getting into the hotel already feels like a vacation. You have the bright colors, the palm trees, the cocktail glasses as a decor. Everything just screams you're going to relax whether you want it or not, and I love that part. Check-in was pretty seamless, the staff was very nice, and it's important to know that you need to have a security deposit at check-in, so make sure you are prepared. And of course, the hall just felt like you are already on vacation. I really like that. One thing I noticed was the reception of this hotel is actually on the second floor and not the ground floor. The ground floor is where you find the entrance and you can get to park your vehicle. Speaking of which, if there is no parking in front of the hotel, you can get parking on the street, which seems pretty acceptable in the area. Now, room tour. Getting to my room even felt like a journey. I like the little branded messages on the wall of the hallways, as well as the colorful paintings, very much on brand for a hotel where you want to go on vacation. The room was also on brand with the entire hotel vibe. Spacious enough for one. I love the teal theme, it's my favorite color, and it just gives you this coastal vibe that makes you relax immediately. The setup for the room was also in a way that I couldn't really work, so I guess it was the point, right? Anyways, this is the kind of room where I will spend the entire day and only get outside for food. One thing I always look for is whether a hotel could exist anywhere or whether it could only exist there at a destination where it is. This hotel does a beautiful job incorporating local Florida vibes, a coastal energy, texture, colors that really remind you that you are by the beach and you are allowed to take a break, relax and recharge. It reminded me of where I was. There is a restaurant on site where you can order food to dine in, a bar for your cocktails, and a little market for quick bites. The hotel also has a pool, which to me is the perfect spot if you want to pre-dip before going to Jacksonville Beach, which by the way is only 2 minutes away from the hotel, literally at your doorsteps. From the Margaritaville Hotel Jacksonville, you can walk outside and within 15 minutes be surrounded by restaurants, bars, cafes to get a better taste of the Jacksonville Beach area. And if you want to drive, which I recommend, everything is literally within 2 to 3 minutes. So, who is this hotel for? I think this will be a great hotel pick for you in Jacksonville if you want to be by the Jacksonville Beach, if you're traveling solo, as a couple, or with kids. I know the kids will especially love to stay in that pool and play all day. It might not be the right hotel for you if you're looking for nightlife or if you're traveling for business, because the vibe is definitely giving relaxation all day, all night. And I think for the offering, it is a good value for money. So here are a few things to know before you book. First, know that parking is not included and you can get free parking in front of the hotel on a first come, first served basis. If you can't get parking, no worries. There are a lot of free and paid parking spots around the hotel. Secondly, I recommend driving because it's a lot more convenient to access a hotel, but also in general for your Florida vacation. So if you're planning a trip to Jacksonville and want to be by the beach, I think you should consider staying at the Margaritaville Beach Hotel, Jacksonville Beach. Let me know in the comments what matters most to you when booking a hotel. Is it the location, the design, the breakfast included, the service, or simply getting the best value for money? And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, to subscribe, and check out my other experiences about Jacksonville to make your trip even more memorable. Thank you and see you in the next video.